Finding a bag that's beautiful, functional, and not a black hole feels impossible, but I think I just found it. Hi, I'm Amy and I'm all about keeping my everyday carry simple and functional, and today I'm showing you the pieces I reach for the most and how they all come together in my current shoulder bag. Let's be honest, the struggle to carry your life in one bag is real. My bag graveyard is a testament to this frustrating journey. There was the beautiful tote that had zero structure and became a bottomless pit where my keys and wallet went to disappear. Then there was the structured crossbody, so tiny it couldn't fit my sunglasses and my phone at the same time. I've tried bags that were so heavy on their own that adding my stuff felt like a workout. I bought bags that looked incredible online, only to arrive and feel disappointingly cheap. The problem is always the same: finding a bag that is truly functional. It needs to hold your essentials in an organised, accessible way. It needs to be made from materials that feel luxurious and are built to last through daily use. And it needs a design that's both current and timeless. It's a tall order, and for the longest time, I thought it was an impossible one. And then I found this. The bag I'm using at the moment is the Gabrielle East-West shoulder bag from Parisa Wang. They're a New York-based brand known for creating timeless, elevated designs, pieces that feel classic but still modern enough to work effortlessly for everyday wear. What drew me in immediately with the Gabrielle is the leather. It has this beautiful structure to it, smooth, refined, and firm enough to hold its shape without feeling rigid. It gives the bag that sculpted, polished look that stays consistent no matter how much you carry. The stitching is clean and precise, and the edges are finished in a way that makes the whole piece feel really considered. The hardware is minimal but intentional. The soft gold tone feels elegant without being flashy, and the little padlock detail on the side adds such a charming touch. It's subtle, but it gives the bag a signature moment, almost like a tiny piece of jewelry that complements the design rather than competing with it. One of my favourite details is the leather strip that holds the handles together. It's such a clever design choice. It keeps the top of the bag looking neat and structured, and it helps the handles sit beautifully without flaring out. It's one of those small touches that makes the bag feel more elevated and thoughtfully designed. Functionally, the layout is surprisingly smart. Inside, you get a simple main compartment with a slip pocket along the back wall for smaller essentials. But what I really appreciate are the two magnetic pockets on the sides. They're discreet from the outside, but they add that extra bit of organisation for things you want quick access to. Even the base of the bag has been considered. It has metal feet which not only protect the leather, but also help the bag keep its structure when you set it down. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how the bag holds up over time. Overall, the Gabrielle feels beautifully balanced. The proportions are just right, the strap sits comfortably on the shoulder, and the East-West shape works with pretty much anything I wear. It's elegant, functional, and genuinely easy to use. The kind of bag that fits into your life without demanding too much from you. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Parisa Wang for gifting this bag to me. They're a brand that's been on my radar for quite some time, so it's been really nice to finally try one of their pieces. Even though the bag was gifted, all the thoughts and opinions are completely my own. They've also kindly given me a discount code to share with you guys. You can get 12% off with the code AMY12 if you want to check them out. I would highly recommend it. Okay, now for the fun part, what I actually keep inside. This is where the Gabrielle really surprised me, because even with its slim structured silhouette, it fits so much more than you'd expect, especially with the pouch system. The first thing I keep in here is my makeup pouch, this little purple duffel. It has all my quick touch-up essentials, the Milk Lip and Cheek Stick, a mini Emco Beauty mascara, my mini Charlotte Tilbury powder, a Dior lip gloss, and a tiny sponge. It's compact, but it keeps everything together so I'm not digging around for small items. Then I have my emergency pouch, which is actually my Maison de Sabre Apple coin purse. It's small, but it fits all the essentials: band-aids, pain reliever, mints, an alcohol wipe, and a couple of feminine hygiene products. It's one of those things that I always like to have on me, and the size is perfect for this bag. Next is my feel-good pouch, which is the black Tocco Toscano one. This has the little things that just make the day easier: a foldable hairbrush, mints, tissues, and some bobby pins. It's lightweight and slim, so it slides in really nicely without taking up too much space. I also carry a tech pouch, which has my portable phone charger, earbuds, a charging cable, and a little phone stand. It keeps all my tech bits together and it fits surprisingly well considering how structured the bag is. I also keep my key pouch tucked along the side. It's slim enough that it doesn't take up much space and it keeps my keys from scratching anything else inside the bag. I have my Mulberry card holder in the back pocket which fits perfectly. It's slim and minimal and it holds just the cards I reach for the most, so it's easy to grab without adding any bulk. My phone also fits in here really comfortably. It slides down the back without adding any bulk and it's still easy to reach when I need it. And then I have the Dior travel size perfume. I love carrying a small fragrance with me and this one is the perfect size. It adds a little moment of freshness throughout the day without taking up any space. Because Melbourne weather is unpredictable, I always carry my Davek umbrella. It's compact but sturdy and it fits along the base of the bag without affecting the shape. Lastly, inside the bag, I have my Elf the Label sunglasses pouch, which is slim enough to sit on top of everything without making the bag feel overstuffed. Now for the outside pockets. I carry my Louis Vuitton mirror, which is one of those tiny luxuries that just makes touch-ups feel a bit nicer. It's compact and flat, so it slips into the pocket without any stress. On the other side, I keep a mini pen because they always come in handy, and a mini reusable straw because, let's be honest, paper straws aren't the easiest to use. Even with all that inside, the Gabrielle still closes comfortably, keeps its structure and doesn't feel heavy or bulky. Everything has its place and the pouches make it so easy to stay organised. And then on the outside, I like to add a couple of bag charms just to give it a bit of personality. I have the Maison de Sabre Bumblee charm, which is actually an AirTag holder, and the Coach Love Heart charm. They're both really simple, but I think they work so well together. They add a little bit of colour and character without taking away from the clean look of the bag. I've attached them using the small ripple connector clip from Elf the Label, which keeps everything secure and sitting really neatly on the handle. A bag can fit everything, but if it's uncomfortable to carry, it's useless. The strap drop on the Gabrielle is about 26 centimeters, which I find to be the absolute sweet spot. It sits comfortably under my arm even with a bulky sweater or a coat, a point other reviewers have also loved. The bag itself weighs about 1.25 pounds when empty, so even fully loaded with all my essentials, it doesn't feel like it's weighing me down. This is where its versatility really shines. I can picture it perfectly for a day at the office. It's professional, chic and holds everything I need. Running errands on the weekend in jeans and a t-shirt, it instantly pulls the look together. For a dinner out, it's elegant enough to feel special, but practical enough that I'm not juggling my phone and wallet. It truly feels like one of those rare chameleon accessories that just works with your life. It doesn't demand you build an outfit around it, it seamlessly elevates the life you're already living. So to bring it all back, why is this bag such a great everyday carry solution? It solves every single problem I started with. It's timeless with a classic shape that won't be out of style next season or next year. It's immensely practical with shocking capacity and smart organisation like those exterior pockets for your most used items. And it is incredibly versatile, going from day to night, casual to formal without missing a beat. It hits that elusive sweet spot between luxury and livability. It feels special every time I pick it up, but not so precious that I'm afraid to use it. This is a bag that's meant to be part of your journey, not just sit on a shelf. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are your everyday carry essentials and what's your biggest challenge in finding a bag to hold them all? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you're thinking of checking out Parisa Wang, don't forget you can get 12% off with the code Amy12. And if you want to try a pouch system yourself, I've made a free download called the Pouch System I Swear By. It's super simple and it's exactly what I use. I'll link everything in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing and smash that like button on your way out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.